And what's the idea of this large terrace outside?
Yeah, well, in the context of architecture, there is a really stiff and easy, simple idea of us that we want to make people spend more time outside. Because according to statistics, people from our countries are spending like 90 or 95% of their time in conditioned spaces which are built. So we basically wanted to make just a small interior space, which in our case is only 45 square meters, which is the minimum according to the rules which we can build. So we designed this whole glazed facade which can be opened up by sliding elements, therefore expanding the interior space to the terrace here. So these two spaces live together and you can use them together basically from spring to autumn. And this whole terrace is being comfortable because it's embraced by this southern wall, which we are calling summer wall, and in which we try to integrate functional units such as this summer kitchen, and there is another area which is like a relaxing area. There are these mattresses, a bed and these couches. Come inside. So we've just got inside. As you can see, it's one relatively big flowing space, the whole interior. And it's just as simple and clean as the house's geometry and the basic concepts. So what you can see here is the dining area, there is a living area with the couches, there is a workstation with the windows. This is the bedroom area where you can rest and take a sleep, and there are the guardrobes for your
wardrobes.
So that's basically the idea. So we are in the kitchen. One important thing about the whole concept is that this one behind the kitchen shelves, this is the load-bearing structure of the house. This is a 10 cm thick glued laminated timber panel, which we show just as a normal texture and a normal element of the interior space. So if we continue, there is a building automation panel on which you can monitor your house's production and consumption, and you can set every one of your systems, like the air handling and the heating and cooling and all the rest of the things. Right here we have our bathroom, which is a really simple space. You can fold this door out here, so you can have the space together. We have this kind of bench right here, or the toilet. So you can just pull it up, or you can just pull it down to take a seat and shave your legs or anything. Let's continue to our mechanical area, which is usually at normal buildings, things just are put outside somewhere and it's not very well organized. We try to integrate it like organically into this structure and into the building. So we just made the doors like this, so you can just close it, and then it looks like it was just a part of the building, right here.
So what would you say is the most distinctive part of your entry, the Hungarian entry?
I think that the most interesting part about us that in a classical meaning we are a student-run project. In our case, students were designing, building and doing everything in this project. So that's what I'm probably the most proud of. On the other hand, we have these concepts about building a really high-tech house which is fulfilling the needs of our generation. But we still built this terrace which is embraced by this wall here. And we encourage people to spend more time outside and be closer to nature.